Mismo mga K-pop star na rin ang bumibisita sa Maynila. At pagdating sa mga malakihang concert, kakaibang experience din daw ang pagbuo nito.
Super hirap siya. First, there's language barrier. So talagang we needed almost 100 translators. I mean, isa-isa, 1:1 lahat. Tapos second, work etiquette. Iba talaga ang Pinoy, iba ang Koreano. Pinoy, relax-relax, happy-happy lahat, kain muna tayo. Koreano hindi, parang awa. Military, talagang pag sinabi niya now, now, now. Ganun. So parang nagka-clash.
Kamakailan lang nung nagpalabas sila ng 3D concert ng Super Junior.
Virgin are naughty eh. Kaya I think that's why fans love them. They're very naughty. Alam mo yung tease? Kaganyan sila. But what's nice with them, especially I have worked with quite K-pop, they're very professional in a way like, laro-laro sila. Pero once they're on stage, hindi mo sila makakausap. Totally, as in talagang nakaganyan sila. Tapos talagang rehearse down to the last tabi-tabi. Ayaw nila nagsasapawan. Maybe because they're ang dami nila, 10. So, it really took some time to really hone their skills like that. It was awesome! Ako copy nila! This is the first time I saw them on 3D. And grabe ang saya. As in, ibang experience siya.
Ay, maganda